Hello my friends, it's Siri and I have just received my 4 category 7 RG45. These are coming from the HB Digital brand. It comes also with a user manual, and soon in this channel I will explain you how to mount it. These RG45 connector category 7 are pretty nice. You do not need any crimping tool, and they come with a dedicated guide so that it is easier to put the RG45 category 7 wire. And I have a bunch of wire and I will show you how to mount them on this cable. Are cable Sieben SFTP, the best quality it is on the market. And here, if I open one of the head here, you can see that the guide is going into it, and this will be very interesting for you if you do not know how to do it. So see you later in this channel. Bye.